Hi, this is Marty from the Doherty Garden. Today's project is maintaining the edges around the base of palm trees, or landscape design anyway. I use bricks, as you can see, and these are an assortment of tools that I use to maintain those bricks. As you can see, let me just show you what they look like before I start. There's what I pull out. There's the sand I have from my other excavation that I'm doing on the side, removing weeds. And this is what the area looks like before I touch it. Basically, I scrape. I use the scraping, two sorts of tools here, the fork and the other fork that digs. And I hack up the area below the area there, remove the stones, put it up on the top for a little while, and I scrape all the good up. I use a little cutting tool to cut off the grass, the weeds, and anything that's growing in it. Anything I collect, I throw out. I don't even take the cuttings at this stage of grass and just throw them out because my plants let Mother Nature take care of that. But what I do is just collect it all and put it in there. And as I basically take an area, I'll take the stone out, use my little cutting orange tool right there to cut the grass back like I did over here. And what I do is I scrape out all the dirt, and I take some loose dirt that I have in my other hole and throw it in back there, even it out with my hand, put the tool back down, and make sure it looks fairly decent. What I like about using the patio stones, edging stones, whatever you want to call them, in my design is that I put them close to the grass, at the same height as the grass, so this way when you're mowing, you don't need an edging tool. You can come over here with your mower and just go right over them and mow the whole entire yard. Same thing you can see with the black edging I put over there. That's all the edging. Every once in a while, Mother Nature takes its course and beats back the edging either from the inside or from the outside, from the grass side. So what I do is just every year go through this exercise, and sometimes twice a year, because depending on the weeds that are growing. And I'm cleaning this area up because I imagine this year I'm going to get a ton of seeds from my Cuban Royal Palm Tree, which is right up above there. And you can see there's two seed racks. One that's open from last year that will eventually fall off and come down. And the seeds settle in over here. And what I like about it is I put a little more soil so this way I can pull out my little seedlings, Cuban Royal stone. If they are Cuban Royal, they may be very stony, but I'm not sure. I don't know how many palm expert has passed on to me, so I'm just calling it a Cuban Royal until somebody tells me, hey Marty, that's not a Cuban Royal, it's a Roystonia. Alright, so in the meantime, this is what it is, and what I do is then I clean it up, pull as many weeds. I use this tool, and then I use this tool, which I use a hack to get into the dirt like that, and then I use my little scooping tool to get the dirt away, and everything comes back to normal. And I'm doing the edge at the moment because that's the most important part right now, and I'll get the top portion another day when it's quiet, and I'll get that. I don't like to spray weed and feed on it because it may affect the grass and it may affect the Cuban Royal that's growing right behind it. So that's just Mother Nature. You have any questions? You have different techniques. I use this technique because it's been working for the last 20, 30 years. And all I have to do is just mow, and I don't have to use a two-step process to do the edging. All right. Thank you for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.